Locate a point in the Cartesian plane. Let us learn about the location of a point in the Cartesian plane. A coordinate is one of a set of numbers used to identify the location of a point on a graph. Consider the points P and Q. Let us see the distances of the points P and Q from the axis. For this, we draw perpendiculars PM on the x-axis and PN on the y-axis. Similarly, we draw perpendiculars QR and QS. See here, the perpendicular distance of the point P from the y-axis measured along the positive direction of the x-axis is PN is equal to OM is equal to 4 units. The perpendicular distance of the point P from the x-axis measured along the positive direction of the y-axis is PM is equal to ON is equal to 3 units. The perpendicular distance of the point Q from the y-axis measured along the negative direction of the x-axis is OR is equal to SQ is equal to 6 units. The perpendicular distance of the point Q from the x-axis measured along the negative direction of the y-axis is OS is equal to RQ is equal to 2 units. Coordinates of a point. The x-coordinate of a point is its perpendicular distance from the y-axis measured along the x-axis. For the point P, it is +4 and for Q, it is -6. The x-coordinate is also called the abscissa. The y-coordinate of a point is its perpendicular distance from the x-axis measured along the y-axis. For the point P, it is +3 and for Q, it is -2. The y-coordinate is also called the ordinate. In stating the coordinates of a point, in the coordinate plane, the x-coordinate comes first and then the y-coordinate. We place the coordinates in brackets. Hence the coordinates of P are 4 and 3 and the coordinates of Q are -6 and -2. The two axes break the Cartesian coordinate plane into 4 parts. These parts are called quadrants. The quadrants are numbered 1st, 2nd, 3rd and 4th, starting with the top right quadrant and working counterclockwise. The points in quadrant 1st have x-coordinates and y-coordinates which are both positive. The points in quadrant 2nd have x-coordinates which are negative and y-coordinates which are positive. The points in quadrant 3rd have x-coordinates and y-coordinates which are both negative. The points in quadrant 4th have x-coordinates which are positive and y-coordinates which are negative.